By 2026, high-paying jobs won't look like they do today. AI, cloud, and tech are completely rewriting the rules. Some roles now pay more than you ever imagined. Wait till you see job number 7. It requires far less skill than you think. What if your job was telling AI what humans want? In 2026, AI companies need more than engineers. They need people who decide what AI builds. That role is called an AI product manager. You don't code all day in this job. You guide what the AI actually does. You connect business goals and real users, then translate that into AI direction. Engineers build models, you shape outcomes. Every decision changes how AI behaves. User feedback becomes fuel for smarter systems. AI improves because humans guide it. That responsibility is why the pay is high. Salaries range from $120,000 to $250,000 US. AI is everywhere, but direction is rare. This role sits at the center of power. You steer products used by millions, without writing code line by line. Managing AI is one thing, but what if you could control it? This is the job everyone thinks they need, but very few people can actually do. Welcome to the role of AI engineer. AI engineers build and train AI systems. They work with data, models, automation daily. This job requires deep technical expertise. Yes, it's difficult by design, and that difficulty is why it pays. AI engineer salaries reach $150,000 to $400,000. That's one of the highest tech pay ranges. Demand for AI engineers is massive. It's global, non-stop, and accelerating fast. Every industry now relies on AI. Finance, healthcare, robotics, defense included. These systems must work flawlessly. Errors can cost companies millions instantly. That risk drives salaries even higher. Few people can do this well. That's why competition stays low. But there's a role paying similar, without deep coding. What if the right words alone could earn you a six-figure income in 2026? This role is called an AI prompt engineer, and it's changing how people work. AI prompt engineers write precise instructions that guide how artificial intelligence actually thinks and responds. They understand how to speak to machines better than most humans do. This job blends creativity with logic, clarity with structure, not endless lines of complex code. You don't need deep programming skills to succeed in this role today anywhere. What matters most is thinking clearly and communicating intent perfectly, consistently, daily. That skill is why companies pay prompt engineers so well globally now. AI prompt engineers earn between $100,000 and $200,000 annually worldwide today. But AI isn't the only thing printing serious money in 2026 anymore either. What if stopping hackers was more valuable than building apps today? This role is called cybersecurity specialist, protecting modern businesses online. As companies move digital, cyber attacks increase daily across networks, platforms, systems. Cybersecurity specialists protect data, money, infrastructure, applications, enterprise systems from attackers. When systems fail, businesses lose trust, revenue, operations, entire future. That constant risk is why companies invest heavily in cybersecurity services. Cybersecurity specialists earn between $130,000 and $300,000 annually. This career is recession-proof because security remains essential regardless of conditions. Even during recessions, companies prioritize protection over expansion or innovation. But protecting systems is one thing, building the future is another. Do you know where the internet actually lives when you use apps daily? That responsibility belongs to a role called cloud architect in modern tech. Cloud architects design how companies store data and run systems online. Netflix, Google, startups, and banks all depend on cloud infrastructure daily. No cloud means no business, no apps, no streaming, no digital services. Cloud architects manage massive systems with almost zero tolerance for downtime. That responsibility explains why this role pays extremely well worldwide today. Cloud architects earn between $140,000 and $280,000 annually. They build systems that scale reliably for millions of users simultaneously. Now imagine doing this, but for machines instead of companies. What if robots became your co-workers inside factories, hospitals, and even homes? This role is called robotics engineer, building intelligent machines for real-world tasks. Robotics engineers design, build, and program robots that interact with humans daily. In 2026, robots are no longer science fiction or distant future concepts. They assist surgeons, automate factories, and support everyday life worldwide. This field is growing fast as automation expands across industries globally. Robotics engineers earn between $120,000 and $250,000 annually. That pay reflects advanced skills and massive future demand worldwide. Robotics is one of the fastest growing technology careers today. But what if you don't want a job? What if you want ownership? What if your idea could make money while you sleep every single night? This role is called tech entrepreneur, building apps, tools, platforms for global users. Tech entrepreneurs create digital products people use, pay for, and rely on daily. This path carries high risk, constant pressure, uncertainty, and intense competition everywhere. But rewards can be life-changing for those rare entrepreneurs who truly succeed. Unlike jobs, income here is not limited by hours worked daily. Tech entrepreneur pay is unlimited, with no fixed salary ceiling whatsoever. Reality check. Most entrepreneurs fail before reaching meaningful success, but a few win big and change their lives permanently forever. There's a safer way to earn big without starting a company. What if data could predict the future before decisions are even made? This role is called data scientist, turning raw data into powerful decisions. Data scientists analyze patterns that guide companies toward smarter strategic choices daily. Marketing, finance, healthcare, and technology all depend heavily on accurate data insights. This job blends logic, statistics, numbers, and critical thinking every single day. Data scientists transform massive data sets into clear, actionable business intelligence. That value explains why companies pay data scientists extremely well worldwide today. Data scientists' salaries range between $120,000 and $250,000 annually. As data grows, demand for skilled data scientists keeps increasing globally. But data isn't the only thing companies are fighting for today. What if attention was the most expensive currency in today's crowded digital world? This role is called digital marketing strategist, driving brand growth online everywhere. Digital marketing strategists help brands grow using ads, content, and growth strategies. Every click, view, and conversion is carefully planned and optimized strategically. Marketing now controls how products succeed or completely fail in markets. This role blends creativity, data, psychology, and strategy into one profession. Digital marketing strategist salaries range from $100,000 to $300,000 annually. Many strategists work remotely or freelance with clients globally. Brands fiercely compete for attention across platforms, feeds, and screens daily. And now, the job almost nobody is preparing for arrives next. What if the internet stopped being flat and became fully immersive tomorrow? This role is called Metaverse and XR Developer, building immersive digital worlds. XR developers create virtual and augmented experiences people can explore and interact with. Gaming, training, education, and work are rapidly moving into immersive environments. This technology blends creativity, programming, design, and spatial thinking together seamlessly. Companies are racing fast to build immersive platforms before competitors dominate markets. Metaverse and XR developers earn between $130,000 and $300,000 annually. Early movers benefit most as immersive technology adoption accelerates worldwide rapidly. This field is still new, with massive untapped opportunities ahead globally. And this is just beginning. Future highest-paid jobs may not exist yet. The highest-paid job might not exist yet. Subscribe so you don't miss it.